Mabuhay! I'm Mary J. Galibo together with Kimberly Irigon and Angelo Romulo, and we're Group 12. We're here to present the Accounting and Finance Department. Introduction: Accounting and finance play a vital part in the travel industry. Functions will run smoothly only with a capable accounting and finance team. Expansion requires funding which is obtained through loans, but obtaining a loan can be difficult because it demands proof or payment ability. Profit loss accounts, balance sheets, and ratio financials analysis function as primary tools for sources of funding. The cash and cash equivalents are managed by the Accounting and Finance Department. This includes two divisions, namely in Finance and Accounting. Finance controls the budget. A typical accounting department in a business thus provides core functions such as the function of focusing on managing and reporting financial transactions. The five listed functions is accounting receivable, accounts payable, payroll, financial controls, and financial reporting. Represent a comprehensive overview of typical accounting responsibilities. The information is useful in understanding and inner working of a company's financial management. Accounting and finance management for travel operators. Effective financial management is the essential element of long-term success for travel operators. This includes managing financial performance, maintaining sufficient liquidity, and wise investment decisions. An efficient payment system is also essentially required, particularly in international operations. For uninterrupted cash flows and reduced risk of financial functions, good accounting practices and analysis serve as the cornerstones for informed decision and sustainable growth. Para maging matagumpay or maging successful yung isang travel agency, need din nila maging maayos yung paghawak ng pera. And dapat din alam nila kung magkano yung kanilang kinikita, kung magkano ang ginagastos nila, at kung magkano ang natitira. And importante rin na maganda yung sistema ng pagbabayad lalo na kung may mga transactions sa ibang bansa para hindi maantala yung pera. Para sa hindi maayos na paglaki, kailangan ng tamang kailangan ng tamang pag-account at pagsusuri para sa cash. Accounting management for travel operators. Accounting management by the travel operators means tracking revenue, expenses, and cash flow. All financial activities generated by bookings, operations, among others. It is essential for the accounting management to keep records correctly as well because they are basis for tax compliance and financial reporting and sound business decisions. With a proper accounting system, one can help manage budgets, analyze profitability, and identify areas of improvement in operational efficiency and cost control, hence ensuring health and sustainable finances for the travel business. So, ito yung parang pagsusulat ng talaan ng lahat ng pera na pumapasok or yung kita. At lumalabas yung gasto sa travel agency. Importante ito para malaman kung kumikita ba talaga yung negosyo, para sa pagbabayad ng buwis, at para sa paggawa ng magagandang decisions. Gamit yung tamang sistema, madaling makagawa ng budget or plano ng gastos, malalaman kung aling serbisyo yung kumikita at kung saan pwede magtipid. Travel operators' main sources of income. Travel operators' main income sources stem from accommodation, hotel room sales, international and domestic air ticket sales or ITA, overseas and domestic package tours, domestic tours, meet and assist services, meetings, congresses, and conference organization or MICE, car rentals, travel insurance, aircraft rental or chartering, cruising and railway ticket sales, brokerage activities, and other operating income. Revenue is collected through various methods, including cash online, credit card payments, bank transfer, company and bank checks, and deductions from payment to agencies or service organization. So dito is maraming paraan para kumita ang mga travel agencies. Pagbebenta ng room hotels, ticket ng eroplano, ng package tour, yung mga nakabundle na ganon. Pag-aayos ng mga tour sa loob ng bansa, pag-assist sa mga tourist, pag-aayos ng mga conferences, pag-upa ng sasakyan, pagbebenta ng travel insurance at iba pa. And marami ding paraan ng pagkuha ng bayad like cash, credit card, bank transfer, and iba pa.
Payment methods. The revenue obtained from the customer's institution or the payment to be made to the suppliers are result of the service provided by the travelers companies are made in the following methods. This is about how travel companies get paid and pay others. It's basically about the money coming in and going out of the business. Cash payments. Customers pay directly with cash. Online payment by credit card. Customers use credit card to pay online. Bank transfer. Money is electronically transferred from customer's bank account to travel company's account. Company or bank checks. Customer write check to the company. Deduction against invoice. Payments are made by deduction the amount from an existing invoice. It can be also done with a transparency agency or the other service organization in the way of deduction against invoice. Accounting procedure and travel operators. This is about accounting helps travel agencies to keep track on their money. It explains that accounting is like system for recording all the financial transaction of the business. This helps the agency understand its financial health and make good decisions. This is saying that accounting is like a way for travel agencies to keep track on their money. It's like record of all the money they earn and spend. This helps them know if they're making money or losing money so they can make good choices about how to run their business. Three important accounting tools. Imagine a diary where you write down every time you get the money, like selling tour, and every time you spend money, like buying fuel for the tour bus. That's what a cash flow statement is like. It helps the travel agency keep track on their money so they don't run out. Daily transaction. This is all about the everyday financial tasks a travel agency does. It includes things like checking bank statement, paying bills, handling money for tours, and keeping track of all agencies' finances. Weekly transaction. Every week the travel agency looks at how much money they made and spent. They also plan how they will pay bills next week and check that they have enough cash, foreign exchange, checks, credit cards, and tickets for their tours.
Annual transaction, a comprehensive document that summarizes a company's financial performance and operation over the previous year. Annual reports typically include the financial statements, such as the balance sheets, income statement, and a cash flow statement. They are also a letter to stakeholders from the CEO and auditors reports and information about the company's future goals. Meaning or the summaries of our from my report is tracking annual transaction. It helps the businesses and individual monitor financial performance access profitability, and prepare for financial planning or tax reporting. Financial and management in tourism. Financial management in tourism refers to the process of planning, organizing, controlling, and monitoring financial resources and activities when the tourism industry. It involves managing the financial aspects of tourism businesses, such as the hotels, tour operators, and travel agencies, and destination to ensure the probability, sustainability, and the growth. Effective financial management is crucial for tourism business of remains competitive, profitable, and financially stable in rapidly evolving industry. This effective financial management in tourism, it helps the business to stay competitive, adapt, and make market trends and achieve the long-term growth while delivering the quality services to the other customer. Balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at an aspect point in time. It shows what the company owns, like assets, what it owes, liabilities, and the differences between the two quality or owner's quality. Meaning the balance sheet is the crucial for assessing a company's financial health, liquidity, and solvency, and is used by inventors, creditors, and management to make informed decisions. Profit and loss account. A profit loss account is also known as the income statement. It is a financial statement that shows a company revenues, costs, and expenses over the specific period. Example, the quarter of a year. It is a primary purpose is to determine whether the company is making a profit or incurring a loss during that period. The profit and loss account is essential for understanding a company financial performance, showing the whether it is operating efficiently and helping stakeholders make informed decisions about its profitability.